In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Google Docs. With just a few simple steps, you'll have the power of artificial intelligence right at your fingertips, enhancing your writing and productivity in ways you might not have imagined before. Let's dive into the process and make Google Docs work smarter for you. First, you'll want to open Google Docs in your preferred web browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the tab that says Extensions. Clicking on this opens up a world of opportunities to add new functionalities to your documents. The Extensions tab is your gateway to integrating additional features. And today, we're focusing on bringing AI into the mix. Next, click on Add-ons from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it guides you to the vast library of tools available for Google Docs. In this library, you can discover a multitude of add-ons, each designed to offer different utilities. However, for today's purpose, we're going to concentrate on AI tools. The search bar here is your best friend. Type in a few keywords like AI tool or artificial intelligence and hit enter. This action will populate a list of relevant tools you can explore. Take a moment to browse through these options. Look at their user ratings and reviews to get a sense of their effectiveness and reliability. When you find a tool that suits your needs, click on it to learn more. This will take you to a page where you can see detailed information about what the tool offers. Once satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click Install. You might be prompted to grant permissions, as the tool will need access to certain features in Google Docs. This is a standard security measure, ensuring your data remains secure. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, the AI tool is now integrated into your Google Docs environment. To start using your newly installed AI tool, you'll need to go back to the Extensions tab. Click on it once more, and you should see the name of the AI tool you just installed listed there. Clicking on the tool's name will generally present you with options like opening a sidebar or launching a particular function. This is where you can begin experimenting with its capabilities. These AI tools can offer a range of functionalities, from providing writing suggestions, summarizing lengthy documents, to even correcting grammar and punctuation errors. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with the specific features of the AI tool you chose. Often, they come with their own tutorials or help sections to get you started. And that's it. You're now equipped to use AI within Google Docs to enhance your productivity. Remember, the key to leveraging these tools effectively is to practice and explore their full range of features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of the AI capabilities available to you in Google Docs. Happy writing!